Good morning, friends. It's Monday, May 8th, and I want to do a short video today showing you how I set up my chart in the morning to prepare to trade. Now, I know that some traders spend hours setting up their charts, getting up at 5 in the morning and preparing for the day. I set up my chart. It takes me about, 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes would be on the long side. So let me show you how I set my chart up in the morning in under 10 minutes. Now, first, I have my 3 tabs. Really, I use only 3 tabs in setting up my chart. I have the U.S. economic calendar, Market Watch. I have the stock market morning business report, the news, CNBC. And I have my TradingView chart set up. So let me show you in just under 10 minutes how I do this. Now, first I go to Market Watch economic calendar because I want to see if there are going to be any announcements that are going to be moving the market, especially during the trading session. You don't want to be caught with your pants down if an important announcement comes out and you're caught in the market, especially in the wrong way. Today, Monday, May 8th, I look at the economic calendar and I see that the first important thing that's going to happen is not Monday, it's not Tuesday, it's right here on Wednesday. The Consumer Price Index and the core CPI are going to be announced pre-market, so that's going to give us a little bit of a breathing space. It's not going to upset anything during the trading day. Nevertheless, it's important to know when announcements are going to be coming out, announcements that are going to be moving the market or have the tendency to move the market. Okay, so that takes me about a minute. Next, I go over to the CNBC website, and I just want to see the reports. Basically, I want to see the flags. I see the Dow and S&P flags are in the green, NASDAQ is in the red, yada yada, oil and U.S. Treasury. U.S. Treasury is an important thing to keep an eye on, 3.5% oil is down, nice. Friends, use the news for entertainment. Believe me, you're not going to learn anything here about that's going to tell you where the market is going to go. And remember, what you want to do in setting up your chart is A, prepare for the day, and B, where is the market going to go? We get a hint of where the market is going to go. And no, you're not going to find it in the morning news. Either the news is already priced into the market price at the time, or the smart money knew about it 4 days ago. So read it for entertainment. If you want to linger over, take a little time, that's fine. Don't get any sense of where the market is going to go based on the morning news. Okay, interesting news articles. Next, I set up my chart, and I use the TradingView series of charts. I love TradingView because it has so many features. The flags are easy. The order entry is easy. It's very simple. TradingView is a great platform, and you can use it with any number of brokers. And let me show you how I set my chart up. Now, first of all, you want to integrate your brokerage account with TradingView, and you can do that by opening up the trade panel at the bottom. And as you can see, let me get rid of this. As you can see, there are a number of different links to various brokers that integrate with TradingView. And I use TradeStation, and I'm going to connect my TradeStation account with TradingView. And if you missed how I did that, again, you go to the TradingView chart, and I'm already logged in to TradingView, and you go to the trading panel, and you pick out your broker that you have your brokerage account with. I use TradeStation, so I'm going to connect with TradeStation. I'm going to connect with my demo account for the purpose of this video. And here's my demo account. I'm going to log into my demo account, and here I'm logged into my TradingView demo account where I can place trades. Okay, so I've logged into my TradeStation account, my TradingView account, and here I have my screen. Now I want to set up my chart in order to trade. And the way I set up my chart, I go to my Taylor trading calculator and I plot the trading range on the chart based on Taylor's calculations. And here's how I do that. Here's my Taylor calculator and the numbers for today, and I put in the numbers up until Friday, May 5th, and the numbers for today are resistance at 41.64, support at 41.13, and the previous day's close, Friday's close, was 41.51. Okay, so 41.64, 41.13, 41.51. I go back to my chart and I draw a rectangle on my TradingView chart, 41.64, and I put my cursor right at the 9:30. And this is a 3-minute chart, my friends. 41.64, and I go over to 1600 hours, and I go down to 41.13. And I want to put a horizontal line at 41.51 because the previous day's close is an important target. So my chart is set up for the day. Monday, May 8th, this is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Friends, you don't have to spend more than 10 minutes setting up your chart unless you want to linger over the news for entertainment value only, and you'll be prepared to trade for the day. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video.